Hey everyone, and welcome back. Are you trying to get into a game of Counter-Strike 2 only for it to crash on you right at the launch screen? It is a super frustrating issue that a lot of players have been dealing with. The good news is, these crashes are usually tied to a few common culprits. I'm going to walk you through a quick fix that should get you back into the action in no time. Let's dive in. The first thing that you have to do is to click on that Windows icon or just open that search bar. Type CMD, and once you have seen the command prompt, run it as administrator. Wait for it to load. Now you are seeing a black window. You just have to type sfc /scan now and press enter. Wait for the scanning. It will fix any corrupted files that you have. If you're still having issues after this, consider a clean reinstall as a last resort.